Welcome you all in Crown Jewel Circle official YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you API binding with royalq and Binance. So let me share my screen on my mobile phone. I'll give you the step-by-step process how we can bind API from Binance to royalq. So here you can see my screen. Let me go to my royalq first. There you can see my royalq application. In my royalq application, I'll click on API binding. I'm just going to highlight the area where I have to click on it. This is the place where I have to click API binding, and I'm going to click on it now. API binding. As you can see here, this shown as unbound. That means Binance account is not connected. Binance API is not connected with royalq account. So what I have to do, I have to go inside it, and I have to copy those IP addresses. So in royalq and Binance API connectivity, few information from royalq I have to take to Binance, and from Binance it will create a API key and secret key that I have to take here. So first I have to do is copy this IP addresses which is available here. I'm going to copy them. Just going to click on copy. As you can see here, I have copied it. Now I have to go in my Binance account. Let me go in my Binance account. First, I have to log in it, and this is, I'm assuming it, you have your account verified and activated accounts, that then only you are going to make a API binding process, right? So there you have to click on more, this highlighted area which I have circled, and then you click on more, and you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down and find the API management. There you can see API management. Now I am going to click on API management. This is going to open me a console where I have to click on create API button. As you can see here, I can just change the color so it will be visible and visible to all. This API create API button. Now I am going to click on create API. So first I have to give a name of it. So I am going to give royalq test. I'm just going to click on create API button. When I click on the create API button, it is going to ask me a puzzle which I have to solve, just dragging it. Now it is going to ask me my mobile OTP as well as the Gmail OTP, which is I have registered with Binance. I'm going to send on my mobile phone, and I'm going to send on my mobile number as well. Now I have to visit my email address or email ID. This you can see this code I already get. I have to copy this, copy, and I have to paste in my Gmail field. Now I have to paste the password or OTP which came from Binance to me. I have to paste this also in my mobile field. Now I have to provide the Google Authenticator. I'm going to Google Authenticator and copying the Binance Google Authenticator code, and I'm going to paste here in my screen, as you can see here. Now I click on the submit button. As you can see, this is created API list, and in API list you can see the name which I have recently created, which is royalq test. So now I have to do a instruction change, like what I have to do in it, what I want to achieve through this. So first I have to click on the edit button. I'm going to click this button. As you can see here, I'm going to click on it, edit button. Now I have to select the second option which is available here, enable spot trading, enable spot and margin trading. This checkbox I have to check first, this. And now I have to check this radio button, which is restricted access IP, which IP address is available in our royalq account. Now I'm going to click on it. right? Now I have to go in my royalq account and I have to copy it because I have already copied the uh, code which was available in my OTP. That's why it's not there. Now I have to again copy this, as I'm going to highlight again. This I have to copy. I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to my Binance, and I am going to paste those IP addresses here, and just clicking on confirm button. Now I have copied those IP address from royalq to Binance and confirm them, and now I have to click on save button, as you can see here. As you can see here, this save button, right? I'm going to click on it. Now it is going to ask me a Google Authenticator code. Now again, I'm going to my Google Authenticator and paste that code which is recently generated. I'm going to paste that Google Authenticator code, paste, and as you can see here, this is API created successfully. Now what I have to do without going back, I don't have to go back because the secret key will be become an star, so we will not be able to read it, right? So first what I have to do is copy the API key, or I just click on the copy button and go to my royalq directly, switching it. Not, we don't have to go back, we don't have to close the application. I'm going to paste here is the API key. Now I'm going back again on Binance, and again I'm going to copy the secret key as it's here. I'm going to paste the secret key here, and I just check this. I have read that right sign, and I'm going to click on the send button. Send button will send a validation code in my Gmail account where this my royalq is registered. So I'm going to my Gmail. Let me go there and let me go to that account, and there I'm finding this API validation code. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to click on bind button. As you can see here, this Binance also connected here. So all the three platforms are connected through the API. So this is a step-by-step process for connecting with royalq, Binance, and royalq with Huobi, and royalq with Coinbase Pro. Everything is step-by-step process. It is same or altogether just like a same process. So you will not find any issues, and that's it. It's done. Now we can start our trading. That's it. Thank you so much. Happy trading.